Hi, Paul here from Photogenius. Welcome to my channel where I post regular photography tutorials. I share tips and tricks. Occasionally I do gear reviews as well. And this is the Photogenius Photography Challenge number 25. If you're new to this channel, I've been posting and setting photography challenges now since lockdowns began in early 2020. Thousands of people from all over the world have taken part and shared their images and picked up some cool photography tips along the way. For more info on previous challenges, check out the Photogenius website. For every single challenge we have a different hashtag. This month's hashtag is Photogenius25. Please make sure you use the hashtag if you're sharing your images to social media, because I really love to see what you create and I'm sure others would love to see them too and be inspired by them. This month I challenge you to have a go at architecture photography. Now what I would like is for you to create interesting, engaging and, if you wish, even abstract architecture photos. Now we are surrounded by architecture, so it doesn't matter whether you live in the country or in the heart of the city, you will find buildings of some description. Now here's a few example images that I've taken. This first shot taken just a few days ago here in Brisbane. I do love lines, symmetry and a splash of colour, and this building set against the beautiful Brisbane sky caught my eye. Here a tall tower block shot at an angle, the leading lines draw the eye through the image. Taken advantage here of some nice colours for an unusual view of the Cleveland Lighthouse, and although strictly speaking not an architecture shot, I do want to share this image of chairs set up in perfect symmetry for an event at the Brisbane City Hall. Now this month I would really love to see you guys getting super creative with your photos, and you can do this in a number of ways, and in a couple of minutes I'm going to share with you some tips and show you some example images as well. This could be as simple as shooting from a low vantage point looking up. It could be turning the camera on its side slightly, tilting the image. It could be shooting from above. If you've got a drone, I'd love to see some drone photos. And also don't feel pressurized to photograph the whole of a building. Sometimes you can take amazing, engaging and interesting images by just showing the tiny details. This month's challenge is kindly sponsored by Skillshare, who have a very special offer for you, the viewers, fans and subscribers of the Photogenius channel. I've always been a very creative person and I've always enjoyed arts and creative outlets, be that music, photography, creating videos for YouTube or working on the Photogenius website. And because I believe you never stop learning, I'm always keen for new ideas and inspiration. So for me, Skillshare is the ideal platform. An online learning community with thousands of inspirational classes, Skillshare includes topics such as graphic design, illustration, music, photography, web design and much more with no ads. I've been checking out YouTube tips from MKBHD, and you can too, because for viewers and subscribers to this channel, Skillshare have a very special offer. The first 1,000 people who use the link in the video description will get 1 month's free trial of Skillshare. So make sure you don't miss out. All you need to do is click on the link below this video and join me and thousands of others to improve your creative skills with Skillshare. A big thank you to Skillshare for kindly sponsoring this video and supporting the Photogenius channel here on YouTube. Okay, as usual and as promised, I want to now share with you some tips on how you may wish to approach this month's challenge. Photo opportunities are all around us, so take a moment to explore what is above. This is the roof of a shopping centre here in Brisbane. And this is an often unseen view of the Eiffel Tower, taken from ground level looking directly up. Here, again taken in Brisbane, is an image of a ceiling. What caught my eye here was the symmetry. Of course, looking down can also reveal opportunities. This is the dome at the Botanic Gardens in Brisbane, reflected in water. An iconic building like the Battersea Powerhouse in London can work really well as a silhouette. Maybe go monochrome. Setting your camera to shoot black and white will emphasize shape and textures. And how about trying taking some photos at dusk or do a long exposure at night? Just ensure you use a tripod to keep the camera steady. Exposure time for this image was 1 minute 31 using the camera's bulb mode. And how's this for creativity? I completely transformed this image using Photoshop. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. Okay, time for a quick announcement. This is the last Photogenius Photography Challenge video. Now don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'm still going to be making videos here on YouTube. I've got lots of new tutorials coming. I've got lots of reviews coming up. So I'm still going to be making new videos every single week, but I won't be making videos in relation to the challenges moving forward. Now that's because the format of the challenges is going to change slightly. Instead of the challenges being technique based, they're going to be more based around themes. Now, to make sure you don't miss out on the new challenges coming up, just make sure you check out the Photogenius website every single month, or better still, make sure you join the Facebook group. I'll put links for both in the description below this video. So I'm really looking forward to seeing your creative architecture photos. Don't forget to use the hashtag Photogenius25 if sharing to social media. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. Consider subscribing for more tutorials and photography tips. And if you want to say hi or leave a comment or you've got a question, just do so in the comments section below. Hope to see you again sometime soon. See ya. Bye.